Hello guys, this is Trijal. Today we are making project 10. First, we have to put background picture to underwater. Then picture. Then we put make a new sprite. Then rename this to apple. Then we put image of apple. Then we go to action and set size. Then we put image apple, size is 50. You can also put like this. You can remove and put this and name apple, and you can delete this. Then we go to behavior, then sprite begins. Then we select apple picture. Then we go to behavior and take float. Then we again go to sprite, make a new sprite and rename this sprite car. Then we put car image. Then we go to action, take set size and put car. The size is 50. Then we go to behavior, sprite begins. Then we put image of car. Then we again go to behavior and takes name. Then we again go to sprite, make a new sprite. Then we rename this sprite to name coin. Then create. Then we put coin image. Then we put go to action and set size to 50. Then we will put coin picture, and you can also go to sprite, take this and coin. Then some behavior, sprite begins, and we put coin. Then we go to behavior and sling. Then we again go to sprite, make a new sprite and rename it to money. Then we put money picture. Then we go to set action, set size and delete name money. Then we go to behavior. Then we put sprite begins, image money. Then behavior float. Then make us new sprite and rename sprite to Teddy. Then create. Then we put Teddy picture. Then go to action, set size, delete the sprite Teddy. Then we go to behavior. Sprite begins. Teddy. Then behavior is put sning. Then we do image like. Then we go up and here we put this, click this and put image anywhere. I'm putting here. Then here also. Then here also. Then here also. Then we run and check. It is sning and floating. And now it is working. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.